Hey everybody, check out this case I have for the iPhones here. This is for the new iPhone. I think it's for the iPhone Air is what it is. And this is what it looks like there. This is, you'll see, it says it has a responsive button control, anti-slip design, sensitive camera control. So you see it's got the camera slider right there, so that's nice. It's got a little stand, which is always good to have. That's how very cool, and it's nice that it's nice and thin, so if you're watching your shows or something like that, I can't hold it on that hand, but there we go. You see it stands up on that hand there, so put it up on a desk or whatever. You could probably put it up this way as well. Very nice. It's got the Magsafe there. Let's see if that's actually magnet safe. Wow, that's a very strong magnet. Okay, so that's really nice. We have our camera holes there. We have a nice little texture going on there on the side. You can kind of see, so that makes it nice. Be nice to hold and grip, but not obtrusive. It's not big. It's not going to make the phone any bigger. We have our little volume controls, the little special button over there. Got the two little holes here for a little hanging thing if we want to. Charging port on the bottom. These are all going to be USB-C again. There's the camera and the power button. It's pretty much what you need for your case. Nice, solid case. Very good. Thumbs up for sure.